These two ideas are related, but they are not built to solve exactly the same problem. Mortgage protection versus income replacement insurance. In this quick video, we'll compare the two and explain how each one fits into the bigger picture of protecting the household.
First, what mortgage protection focuses on. The real issue is usually not just the loan itself. It is whether the household budget can still support the home if one income disappears and everything else keeps moving.
Second, what income replacement insurance covers. Whether a family stays in the home often comes down to cash flow, not just ownership. That is why this conversation is really about housing stability, not just legal paperwork.
Finally, choosing the right balance for your household. The bigger point here is not fear. It is making sure the people you care about have options, flexibility, and a little more breathing room if life does not go according to plan. And if you want the full explanation, the blog walks through the rest, step by step.
Thanks for watching. We hope this helped you understand a little more about how mortgage protection can keep your family and your home secure. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and hit subscribe for more quick, easy-to-understand videos about protecting what matters most. And if you'd like to see more, you can watch our next videos right here on the screen.